Hello, welcome. May I ask you to introduce yourself and your role, and also tell us a little bit about your project and what does represent for you being part of the European Maritime Days in order to share knowledge, network, and also present the result of your projects.
Yes, my name is Simone Bastianoni. I am a professor of environmental chemistry at the University of Siena. I am the coordinator of the project Blue Deal that was funded by the Interreg Med. Yes, we came here at the Maritime Days to show what we have done in this project that will finish in a month, and to try to capitalize, as we say, what we have done and pass the knowledge that we have reached. So we had a joint meeting with other projects, and it was very stimulating in this sense because we had the opportunity to compare experiences and to see that many of these experiences coming from projects are very complementary and they can reinforce each other. So that was a very good result from the Maritime Day, I think, that we were together and understanding together that we were enriching ourselves being part of this community.
So, what was the Blue Deal project about, and what do you think is its greatest achievement?
Well, the Blue Deal started from some questions: if there is enough energy to supply some areas, or what are the right moves to be made in order to achieve the fact that blue energies is actually implemented. And so what we found, we started, for example, with an analytical assessment to see what is available, to understand how to proceed with the planning, because before we have to understand where not to install things. Before, any project can come out that can endanger, for example, some species or areas that are protected, etc. Then we have to involve the citizens. Then this is another key message that we are delivering. We have done a survey in 12 locations in the Med area, and to ask people what is their propensity, their attitude towards blue energies and installation. And the results are quite positive, in the sense that more or less 70% are in favor, and there is a 10% that is drastically negative. So it's I would say it's a positive starting point. But what we suggest is that the public, the general public, has to be involved not only in the decision making of something, but also in the ownership of the devices that use blue energies to produce electricity in most of the time. So this thing can prevent the opposition of citizens, of policymakers and politicians because of opportunity reasons. So, and then we found as a surprise that it was quite easy to find solutions for challenges launched by public authorities. We selected 12 challenges to implement blue energy somewhere, and there were 80 answers from different enterprises that gave ideas to the policymakers, and eventually some of them will be implemented for real, even though we were not providing funds for that. And so I have to say, and that that was a very successful part of our story.
Thank you very much, and thanks for sharing us. So hopefully will be a success story also in other places.
We hope so.
Thank you.
We were here for this one.
Exactly.